Hey, I know you don't always think about me, but I carry water, life.
I may look small, but inside me is real strength. My seeds are full of powerful goodness.
Have you ever wondered how creators are making those fruit and vegetable talking shorts and getting millions of views? This is one of the fastest growing niches in health content, and the best part is, you can start right now before it gets saturated. And don't worry, we're not using any paid tools. Every step in this tutorial is 100% free, repeatable, and unlimited. Let's get straight to it. Step 1. Get the master prompt. We've designed a master prompt that makes this process simple and reliable. You can get the link by commenting Zoran below. Once you copy it, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. It will generate 15 fruit and vegetable ideas. Pick the one you want to make a video about. For this example, I'll choose cucumber. After selecting, ChatGPT will generate one detailed image generation prompt, one long video generation prompt. This setup ensures you have a realistic base image and a cinematic video sequence for your fruit or vegetable. Step 2. Create your base image. Copy the image generation prompt and open Whisk AI, 100% free. You can also use Grok AI. Both work. Select TikTok size ratio. Paste the prompt. Generate the image and download the one you like best. This image is the foundation of your video. The better the base image, the more realistic your final clip will look. Step 3. Generate the first motion clip. Now, copy the video generation prompt from ChatGPT. Open Grok AI and upload the base image. Grok may automatically start converting it into a video. Cancel that. We want full control. Click Customize and paste the motion prompt. Generate the video, then upscale if needed for better quality. Download the version you like. Step 4. Editing. Import all your clips into any video editing software. Arrange them in order. Keep the original clip audio for realism. Optionally add light background music to boost engagement. Export in high quality, and your video is ready to share. Step 5. Scale and repeat. The master prompt allows you to generate unlimited fruit or vegetable ideas so you can keep creating more videos without ever running out of content. This niche rewards early and consistent creators. Follow this method, stay consistent, and you could be one of the first to dominate these viral fruit and vegetable shorts. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun bringing your fruits and vegetables to life.